Morning, students. Good evening. Good evening, students. Good evening, Babu. Snehit, good evening. Good, Babu, good evening. Today we'll see arithmetic progression. Shivakumar, good evening. Babu, Snehit, Shivakumar, welcome. Today we'll start arithmetic progression. Babu, good evening. Babu, Snehit, Shivakumar, good. What about Lavanya, Rahul Raj, Lavanya, then who is the other person? Good, Babu. Full marks. Got 45. Very nice. Very nice. Likewise, arithmetic progression is very easy also. It will be very easy. You can score centum in this also. Arithmetic progression is very easy, very interesting also. Rahul Raj, good. Rahul Raj, Babu, Snehit, Shivakumar. Welcome. Lavanya should be there. So I'll start. Okay. I'll start now. So we'll see what is arithmetic progression. Okay. So before going into this, let us see some basic things about arithmetic progression. See, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression, in short form, we call it as arithmetic progression. See, the letter A stands for arithmetic progression. I can tell you in a different way. Adding. It adds. So it will be going on adding. Suppose if it goes on multiplying, means we call it as geometric progression. But in our syllabus, now it's only arithmetic progression we have. So arithmetic progression is nothing but if you add, going on adding a certain fixed number. A fixed number is added to the next terms. So this is called an arithmetic progression. Yeah. But what is a geometric progression? I told you it is a multiplication. Okay. Now we are concerned only about arithmetic progression. We'll concentrate on arithmetic progression. For instance, we'll see here the thing is, for instance, I take these numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, now tell me, see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Then 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Then 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Here, 1 addition of 1, addition of 1. So, the fixed number 1 is added to the first term, or we can call it as a first term. So 1 is added to this previous numbers, you are getting the next numbers, that we call it as a 1 1 1. So here it is called an AP. This is called an AP. And I hope you understand this. If you go on adding a fixed number, for instance, next see I'll put here 100, then 70, then 40, then 10, etc. Here, here, here. See, 100 minus 30, 70. Then 70 minus 30 is gives you 40. 40 minus 30 is gives you 10. See, they say minus 30, minus 30, minus 30. So whatever may be this, we call what the name of this. See, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 means we call it as a common difference. We can call it as a common difference. Here common difference is 30. So one thing. The next one is here minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0. What is happening here? You see if you add plus 1, then you add plus 1, then you add plus 1. See, minus 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 will give you 0. So this is called an AP. This we call it as AP. So each one is called a term. Yeah. So it is the numbers are next are adding a fixed number to the preceding terms, and we are getting the series. The fixed number that I have rounded off my plus 1, minus 30 are all called, it is all called common difference, because it is very common. It is called common difference. Common difference, and it is denoted by D. The common difference is denoted by D. So the D can be either positive or negative, or even it's 0. The common difference can be positive or negative or 0. So then A is equal to, you bring it at A is equal to, is called the first term. A is called the first term. Okay, A is called the first term. Now let us do the first sum. For example, for the AP 3 by 2, okay, so this AP means adding a fixed number to the preceding number, you get the result. That is called an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is adding each common number will be added to this. Either it can be negative, or it can be positive, or it can be 0. Okay. Now we take up this sum, the example. You are going advanced, no? A plus n minus 1 into D. That's also good. Okay. Now we see how we are getting the see, we'll see. If AP, hello, if AP is like this, no? See here. If AP here, suppose the AP is like this: A1, A2, A3, then etc. to etc. to A to the power of n. So how will you get the numbers? The common difference, if you want to find the common, it will be like this: the A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, then you will get third term minus second term, like that. It will be like this. Then an minus a to the power of n, an minus 1 will be equivalent to D. Nothing but the preceding terms, if you minus it, you will get the thing. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the sums. See the first example here. See the sum here. What is this? No problem. The definitions, whatever may be the, so what are the definitions we can give like this? See, it will be like this. So what we call it, the form of that AP will be like this. See, the first, we call it as A is the first term, A. The second term will be A plus 2D. The third term will be A plus 2D. Okay. Sai, good evening, Sai. Very good, very nice. Sai, good evening. Then A plus 3D, etc. Like this. Okay. So this A, so first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Like this. It goes on like that. So this is called where A is the first term. Here we call A is equal to first term. Then D we can call it as a common difference. D we call it as a common difference. So this is a general form of an AP. This is a general form of AP. Yeah. So there are only finite number of terms. So finite number of terms is called a finite AP. Finite numbers is called a finite AP. If it consists of finite numbers of terms, then it is called a finite AP. Then infinite arithmetic progression will be, they will be infinite, not finite APs. So they are called infinite arithmetic progression. Such APs do not have a last term. It will go on like that. There is no end for it. Okay. Okay. Now for an example, good. We'll have an example. So suppose A is the first term, the common difference, suppose A is equal to 6, the first term is 6, and they say common difference CD is equal to 3. Then the AP will be, how it will be? AP will be, you can form this AP. Arithmetic progression you can form like this. Likewise, the first term is 6. So second term will be 6 plus 3, it's a 9. Then 9 plus 3 will be 12. Clear? Or you can do like this. Okay. Then 12, then 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, so much okay. So this is an AP. Adding plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. So we call it as a common difference. Clear? Okay. Now we go to this first example in this book. We'll see this. Right away we can, so because very easy topic and very interesting topic where you can sort 100%. Very easily you can score, provided you understand. If you could able to follow this, it will be very easy for you. Clear? Okay. See here, this term for the AP, they say write the first term and the common difference. See the 3 by 2, then 1 by 2, then minus 1 by 2, then minus 3 by 2. There are 4 things. They are asking you to write the first term. You know the first term is 3 by 2. So you have network problem, huh? Okay, okay. Tell me, Sai, it's okay now? Is it clear? Okay. So A is equal to 3 by 2. First term is 3 by 2. Now you want to find out the D. D is the difference from this preceding from this number. Preceding by this number. This is number. Okay. So D will be equal to, see, suppose for instance this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. What will be D1 will be A2 minus A1, or it will be equal to A3 minus A2 like this, and it will be A4 minus A. Clear? So what is A2? Suppose if it's enough if you find A2 minus A. So A2 is what? D is equal to, A2 is half minus 3 by 2. The LCM will be 2. So 1 minus 3 will be, 1 minus 3 will be minus 2 by 2. It will be minus 1. So the common difference is minus 1. That's all they put it. Clear? The first term will be 3 by 2. See here the first term. It's clear for everybody? So I shall move to the next example. So next example. See, if you have even a small doubt, don't hesitate to ask me. Even if you have a small doubt, please ask the doubt, because it's a very easy topic and where you can score centum in this topic. What all the problem, any problem in arithmetic progression, you can solve it very easily and you will get the exact answer. Very easy. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll go to the example 2. See, what is the example 2? Sir? Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next 2 terms they are saying. Clear? if it is a AP. So we'll see here. First problem. I'll take this problem. See, 4, 10, 16, 22. So what is A here? A is equal to 4. Now if you want to find D, D will be what? Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, then fourth term minus third term. Clear? Okay. So difference of 10 minus 4 will be equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 22 minus 16. See, I'm just for your to make you to understand, I'm writing the all. It's enough if you find the D straight away. See, 10 minus 4 will be 6. So D is 6. So everywhere 6 only. So it is an AP. It is an AP where the common difference is 6. Write the next two terms. After 22 what? 22 plus 6 will be 28. Then plus 6 will give you 34. This will be like this. The next two terms will be what? 28 and 34. Likewise, try to solve the next problem. Babu, Sai, Shivakumar. Please try this next problem. That what is the find out whether it's an AP. Okay. If you are thorough with the fundamental, there is no need to worry about the bigger problems. Clear? See, now tell me the answer here. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. Tell me whether it is an AP. Tell me whether it is an AP. If so, give me the next two terms. Suppose if it is not an AP, we can ignore that problem. Babu, Sai, it is an AP. Babu, you are in a hurry. You are telling it's an AP. How are you saying this AP? Babu is saying AP. Sai, tell me whether it is an AP or not. Whether this 1 minus 1, the second problem. Okay, second problem. Tell me whether it is an AP. If it is an AP, give me the next two terms. Babu, if it is an AP, you give me the two terms. Okay, Babu, you are saying it's an AP. Good. Then what is the next term? That are the next two terms. After minus 5, what will be the next term? I hope you understand, Sai, Shivakumar, because it's very basic things. That's what I'm very little bit slow with that. You must understand this very clearly. Then only we can go to the next problems, next other things. Rahul Raj and AP, good. Good. So the next two terms Rahul Raj has given correct. Minus 7 and minus 9. Shivakumar, Sai, Snegit, you are there? See, I'll solve this here. See, here it will be A is equal to 1. So we have to find out D. D will be what? The next terms, no? So it will be minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Likewise, see this one. Then this one, if you put like this, minus 3, am I right? Minus 3 minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Clear? Likewise, these 2, 3 things. Or else it is be like this: A1, A2, A3, then A4. We are finding out this is A1 minus A2. Here we will do A3 minus A2. Here we say A4 minus A3. So clear. Okay. Good. Snake thought understood. So what will be A3 will be minus 2 minus then here also will be minus 5 minus of minus 3. That will give you minus 5 plus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Yeah. So it is an AP. Good. This is an AP. The second one is also an AP. So what are those next two terms? It will be like this: minus 5, minus 2 will be the next term. Then then this minus 2 will be minus 7. Then minus 7, minus 2, that is minus 9. So the next two terms will be minus 7 and minus 9. Everybody is clear? Everybody is clear? Hope you are telling the next one, going to the next one. Yes. Yes. So what about the third problem here? See, third problem. Third problem. Rahul Raj, tell me whether it is an AP or not. Third problem. Third problem. Tell me whether it is an AP or not. Babu, good. Third, not an AP. Fourth is not an AP. Good. Yes, if this basic thing is exactly correct, there's no need to worry. Every problem you can solve it in a very easy way. Clear? So I'll tell you why it is not an AP. See here. Now you see here. It is minus 2. Alright? It is like this. Minus 2, 2. Then again minus 2. Then again 2. Minus 2. Then minus 2. Okay, A is equal to minus 2. This is okay. D is equal to what? See, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, then A5 we can keep like that. So A2 minus A1. That will be 2 minus of minus 2. That is 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4. Then we will check it out. Whether this A3 minus A2 you are getting. What is A3 is minus 2 minus of 2. That is, this will give you what? Minus 2. That is minus 2 minus 2 will give you minus 4. See, first one is 4. The second one also should be coming 4. Now it's not, it should be positive 4. But here it is coming negative 4. So therefore it does not form an, so it does not form an AP. This is not an AP. This is not an AP. This is not an AP. Likewise, this is also not an AP. Okay, okay. I have not seen Rahul. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, Rahul. Sorry. So third and fourth one is not an. Okay. So fourth one is also not an AP. So when you do it, you will get that the difference will be 0, 0, 1 like that. First you will get 0, then 0, then next one will be 1. So which is not equal. So it's uniformly it should come. 0 means throughout 0 it should be added. Okay. Okay. Now shall we go and do it this exercise 5.1? Shall we take up this exercise 5.1? Okay. Shall we take this? Okay. Okay, Babu. Thank you, Babu. Rahul Raj. Shivakumar, you want me to repeat? No? Okay. I'll do this. Shivakumar, see this. See, the first term, okay. So D should be common. Suppose if the D is, you are adding like this, I'll put here. An example, I'll do it. You see, understand this. This for Shivakumar I am teaching. Okay. Shivakumar, I am repeating for you. Shivakumar, please see this. Suppose what is an AP? No, it will be like this one. Suppose I am doing like this. This is 6, 9, then 12, 15. You know why I am telling this in AP? See, for instance, if it is A1, you keep it as A2, it should be A3, then it is A. If it is an AP, the common difference should be the same throughout. The common difference will be the same throughout. So see this, what is common difference will be, a2 minus a1. This should be equal to this, and this should be this minus. See here, it should be equal like this. A2 minus a1 should be equal to a3 minus a2. That should be equal to a4 minus a3. See, in this case, what is a2? 9. 9 minus 6. Chokmar, are you watching? Okay, 9 minus 6. Here it will be a3 is 12 minus 9. Then a4 is 15 minus 12. See what you are getting? 9 minus 6 will be 3. Likewise, 12 minus 9, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. So, see, uniformly you are getting 3. So, then only it is called an AP. Then only it is called an AP. On other words, it should be uniformly, the number, fixed number will be added to the next numbers. Uniformly it will be added. Okay. So, in this case, see here, in this case, first 2 will come like this. Only 6, 6 is, see, the difference between this thing is 6, this thing will be 6, this thing 6. This 6 common. Whereas here, but it will not come like that. 1 will come where, and that will become minus 4, like this it goes. So, it is not an AP. 4 minus 4, different, no? It should be the same. It should be the same. Good. Thank you, Shivakumar. Okay. Now I go to the next thing. Okay. See, now we go to the book exercise 5.1. 5.1. What they are asking you here, the taxi fare after each kilometer on the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and for each additional kilometer. So they say first A1 is, they are giving A1 as 15. Then after that it is adding, what is the, in which of the following does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So they are asking again same thing, whether it is a AP or not, they are asking you. Okay, okay. Babu, okay, 23. Then likewise, so here they say additional item. So A is equal to, they say starting will be 15. Then say for every kilometer how much, that's a common difference is 8. So what will be this? See, A1 is equal to 15 means A2 will be this plus 8, it will be 23. That is 15 plus common difference. Likewise, it can go like this. Then A3 will be 23 plus 8. That will be equal to 31. Right? A4 will be 31 plus 8. Okay, that will be equal to 39. Now what is this? Say A2 minus, I am putting A2 minus A1. That is A2 is 23, A1 is 15. So it will be 23 minus 15, that will be equal to 8. Likewise, A3 minus A2, that will be 31 minus 23, that also will be equal to 8. Likewise, then A4 minus A3 will give you how much? 39 minus 31, that will be equal to 8. Common difference. So, it is a AP. Clear? The first sum is AP. Chokumar, okay? See, you are adding 8 kilometers. That naturally it will be an AP. It will be an AP. Every, see, only thing for first kilometer 8, for second kilometer 12. Likewise, if the difference is there, then it will not have AP. Arithmetic progression will be like this. Same, the number should not change, the difference should not change, the difference should be the same and it should be added in a straight way. That's called an arithmetic progression. Okay, now we go to the next problem. Babu, okay, Babu is okay. Shivakumar, okay, understood. Sai, have any problem? Rahul Raj, I'm proceeding. I'm going to the next problem. Okay, the next problem is what? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So every time in the 1/4 of the air is being, the remaining air will be deflating. Okay, so it will be like this. So amount of the air present, that is in the cylinder, we keep it as X. The amount of air, present in, see here, amount of air present in the cylinder. equal to x. So this is called A1. We keep it as x. The amount of air present in the cylinder, total amount. Okay. Good. So now what they say, after one time removal of air by the vacuum, so 1/4 will go. So 1/4 of the pump will be removed means it will be every time 1/4 will go. So x minus x by 4. 1/4 of x will be removed. That is equivalent to 4x minus x by 4. That is equal to 3x or 3 by 4x. This is equal to, keep it as A2. A2. Now, the amount of air present after 2 times removal means 2 times. 2 means 1/4. Okay. Then next. So, this will be next one we'll see. The amount of air present in the cylinder. Then next time. So, it will be 2 times removal of the air by the vacuum. It should be 2 times. So, it goes to the third. And that will be the next is 3/4x minus 1/4 of 3x by, because minus means we are removing. Okay, we are removing. So it will be 3x by 4. That will be equivalent to 3/4x minus 3x by 16. Then 16 is common. Take the 16 is common. 4 will be 12x minus, that is equal to 9/16. It is nothing but you can write as 3/4 whole square. This is equal to A3. This is, sorry, A. So every time 1/4, 1/4 they are removing. That's a twice it is been. 1/4 of this thing will be removed. Okay. So see this. So the difference you see, then it will be 3/4 of 3 cube. So A2 minus A1, if you put it, it will be minus x by 4. Likewise, everything will be minus 3. So it is not an A. It does not form an AP. Okay. Babu, again I will repeat this. See here. First see here. The amount of air present in the cylinder is x units. First point, amount. Okay, I am repeating, Babu. I am repeating right from the beginning. I am telling you. Okay, right from the beginning I am coming like this. See, it will be the amount of air present in the cylinder be x units. I am keeping it as x units. It's an x units. Now, 1/4 of x will be removed. The first A, this is A1. X is A1. Clear? X is A1. See here, x is A1. See the topmost here. X is A1. A1 is equal to x. Now 1/4 of x is removed means, see, then second will turn, it will be formed by 1/4 will be minus x by 4. 1/4 is removed. Okay, 1/4 is removed. So 1/4 is removed, it will be, the A1 is this, A1 is x. Now we are going to find the second term. Second term will be x minus x by 4. X minus x by 4, that will be equivalent to, it will be 4x minus x by 4. See LCM, I am taking LCM, then I am doing this. It will be 3x by 4. See here, 3x by 4 is the second term. So everybody is okay with the second term. It is 3/4x. See here. See this step. You understand? Please tell me this step. See now in our this thing accordingly, A1 is x, A2 is 3/4x. See how I have brought it? You now understand? Rahul Raj, Shivakumar, Snehit, Sai. Please see this. See this. Don't worry about this problem. It's only thing. This arithmetic progression goes by minus 1/4, minus 1/4, minus 1/4. Yes, minus 1/4 only, it will not form an AP. So need not worry. It cannot be brought it as a AP. So see, second term is 3/4x here. Okay. Now what about the third term, A3? A3 will be what? See, this is second term. See, I will do this. Clear? Here, so already A. Now you know what is A1, A2. here. Now you know a1 is equal to x. Now you have found out a2 is equal to 3 by 4x. I hope Babu and everybody is okay with this. See, I have found out because x minus x by 4. Why sir x by 4? Because 1/4 of x is reduced by the every time the amount of cylinder present when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. So air remaining I am assuming as x. That's a beginning first term. Second term I am forming with this minus x by 4 by getting minus 1. What will be a3? A3 will be like this only. See, from this you have to subtract 1/4 of 3 by 4x. That will be a3. This step only you would have some difficulty. See, first a1 I am assuming. See, a1 we are assuming as x. a2 is x minus x by 4 will form this a3 here. See this stage. Clear? That is a2. Okay, a2. Now what will be a3 means? A2 means it will be 3 by 4x minus 1 by 4 of this 3 by 4x. Not the first term. Always don't go. So the preceding term only. We call it as the preceding term. Preceding term will be like this only. Now when I come here, see here, this problem is here. See here, 3/4 by x minus 1 by 4 of the width. So multiply this, you will get like this, and you will get 3 by 4 square. So a3 is here. A3 equal to 3 by 4 of square. This is first term. This is second term. This is here. Here I am putting. This is second term. This is second. So this is first term. X. Then this will be like this. See, I'll write this. That's what. The next term, Babu, next term is formed by removing 1/4 of the balance. So now the second is 3/4x. So now you have to reduce. The vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the second term, 3/4 of x, not x, 3/4 of x. You understand what I am trying to use? See, 3/4x minus 1/4 of the remaining means remaining is 3/4x. The remaining of 1/4 is difference will be giving you the a3. Clear, Babu? Okay, that will give you this a3 by whole square. I hope you understand this. Okay, little bit difficulty, but don't worry about this. This is not a very much important problem. Don't worry. Even if you don't clear it, and the subsequent problems will help you to solve this. Don't worry this. Okay, I'll go to the next. This it will be then. That's the amount of air present after the 3 times removal will be. It will be cube. 3 times removal. So a to the when you get now it will be. See now what is this? A1 you have got as. Then what is a2 you have got at what? A2 is what? 3 by 4 x you have got. Okay, a2 you have got. What is a3? A3 is what? A3 here it will be a3 will be 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 square x. Then what is a4? A4 will be 3 by 4 whole x to x. Yeah. So the difference will not be the same. So once you minus a2 minus a1, see, if you subtract here, you will be like this. See, a2 minus means 3 by 4 x minus x. That will be 3x minus 4x by 4. That is equal to, will give you 3x minus x by 4. See, you are getting. So the common difference you are getting. This is minus x by 4. Then what will be other term? This is a3 by here. It will be, see, the next thing you go here. See, it will be, you are getting minus 3 by likewise. So this list of numbers does not form AP. This list does not form AP. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? So I'll read this problem. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meter. So cost of digging the well, 1 meter of digging, the first thing, when you dig 1 meter, it is 150. Then after that, for every meter, okay, it will be 50 rupees addition. That's what it's saying, no? When it costs the first meter and rises by 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay, thank you, Babu. Thank you, Babu. So cost of digging a well after every meter is, see, they say first here digging the first well A1, they give us 150. So for the next one, digging the well after 2 meters of digging, it will be A2 is equal to, it will be 150 plus 50. Every meter, no, it will be 200. Then likewise A3 will be 200 plus 50. That will be equivalent to 250. Likewise 4 meters, A4 is equal to 250 plus 50. Every meter 50-50 is adding, so it will be 300. So in the sum, by reading the sum itself, you can say it is an AP. See, every meter 50-50-50 means the common difference is 50. Naturally, it is an AP. The common difference is 50. The first term is 1. Shall we go? Okay. Yeah. Now I'll read this problem. Okay. Now we'll read this problem. The fourth problem, first the subdivision 4, exercise 5.1. The amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 is deposited at compounders at 18% per annum. So it is P into 1 plus R by 100 is the formula. P into 1 plus R by 100. Okay. So it's a formula. For compound interest, formula will be for 1 year. For 2 years, it will be like this. Compound interest, no, they say it's a compound interest. Compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. See, remember, this is the formula. For a compound interest, the formula is P into 1 plus R by 100, where P is the principal. See, where P is equal to principal. Then R is equal to rate of interest. So in this, for 1 means 1, n is equal to 1, 2, like that you have to put. So what is A1? Here principal is equal to what? P is equal to, good. Babu, no need to worry, Babu. This interest you don't worry. The formula, okay, that's what. The formula for compound interest, see, I have written the formula for compound interest, I have written, see, side, okay, I'll write here, down, okay. See, formula will be like this. CI formula is equal to, I am writing it down, okay. CI compound interest formula will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square. Not whole square, it's an n, sorry, n. N is number of years. Okay, see, where P is the principal, where P is equal to 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 principal, okay. R is equal to rate of interest, then N is equal to number of years. Clear, Babu? This is the formula, Babu. It's a standard formula, need not worry. See, what is a compound interest means? Every year the compound interest is adding, means the formula will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and n is equal to number of years. In this sum, they have given the principal as rupees 10,000. See, the principal is 10,000 is equal to principal. Rate they have given us 8%. Clear? Bob, it's okay. See, now what I'm substituting here. So first A1 will be, for 1 year it will be like this, and 10,000 P into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of 1. That is equal to a. Okay, that is equal to a. Then what is equal to 2? That is a2 will be 10,000 for second year. 1 plus 8 by 100. See, n is what? 2. Likewise, if this is a1, this is a2. What is a3? a3 will be, a3 will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole power cube. That is equal to a3. What is a4? a4 will be 10,000 into, okay, 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power of 4. See, the n is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So now you put this is as a to the power of a4. Okay. So when you minus from here to this, you will get, suppose a2 minus a1, you will get like this, 10,000, 1 plus 8 by 100 minus, I will put here. See, minus it will be. So you will get, will be same. So the list of numbers, they will not form an AP because it will go on square. So one will get 1, then it will go on square. So you need not worry about this compound interest also. See, this type of problems just to get an idea only. So we will go to the other simpler problems. It's only the compound interest formula. So when you minus the next term to next term, you will get like this. You remove this 10,000, it's 1 plus 8 by 100 plus 1 by like this. You can do it and find out. Yeah. Okay. Now let us see the example 2. We are doing the example 2. We are coming to the example 2. Okay. This with the 5 problems, I think you will have a clear idea. So write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference are given as follows. I want everybody to watch this problem. You need not worry about the previous problems also, even if you have not having a proper idea, but these problems will give a clear idea where you need not worry about those problems. Here you will get a clear idea about it. Clear? See what they say, write first 4 terms of AP when the first term, okay, when the first term A and the common difference here. See here, I'll solve here itself. The first term is 10. See A is equal to 10. That is A is equal to 10. What will be the next term? 10 plus 10, it will be what? It will be 20. The next term will be 20 plus 10, 30. Clear? Then it will be 40. Clear? Are you able to understand this? Very simple. Babu, Lavanya, Sai, Rakesh, Rahul Raj, Snehit, Shivakumar. See these first things. A is equal to 10. What will be the next terms? A is equal to 10. I'll write here also. See, when A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. What will be the terms? See, it will be A like this. A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D will be the 4 terms. A plus means A is 10. A plus D is what? A plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10. What is A plus 2D? A is 10 plus 2 into 10. Here what is A? A is 10 plus 3 into 10. This is called an AP. This is called an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D is called the AP. So 10A. This is about 10 plus 10 will be like this. 10, 20, then 10 plus 20 means 30, then 10 plus 30 is 40. See, you are getting an AP. Clear? Clear? I hope everybody understands this. Clear? Shall I go to the next problem? See here, the second problem. See, second problem, see, I am writing here. This is first one. The second one here, A is equal to minus 2. Then D is equal to 0. So, see, minus 2, it will be like this. Minus 2 plus 0. Then minus 2 plus 2 into 0. Then minus 2 plus 3 into 0. That is what? A plus D then a plus 2d, then a plus 3d. Everybody understands this? Why you are finding it difficult? Have you any problem? See here, that will be minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. Minus 2, 2 into 0 is 0. It will be minus 2. Then minus 2. This is an AP or not? So the first 4 terms of the given will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 respectively. Okay? When you get 0, 0, 0, it will be like this. Is my audio is clear? Why no one is answering it? Babu, okay? Understood this? Second thing? Clear. Very good. What about Snegit? Snegit, Shivakumar, Sai, Rahul Raj? Can you please type it out? Whether I can proceed to the third thing? See this one. Third one. See this third one. Is it visible? Why no one is coming on the line? Shivakumar, I am not seeing. Only Bob is answering. Bob is only coming. Other things, any problem with the audio or any your computer is in problem? All of you are watching but not answering. Okay, third one I will do this. See, it will equal to, see, a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Common difference d is equal to minus 3. See how the next terms will be. See, a is equal to 4. So a, second term will be a plus d. Then third term will be a plus 2d. Then fourth term will be a plus 3d. See, the form should be there. Okay, visible. Okay, Babu. Babu, only you are there and you are answering, but no one is coming. Maybe either disconnected or, but all of them are watching. Only Bob is giving answer. Okay, anyway, a plus d. See, a is what? 4. A plus d is a. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Shivakumar. A is 4. A plus 4d means 4 minus 3. Then a plus 2d means 4 plus 2 into minus 3. Then 4 plus 3 into minus 3. It will be 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4. 2 into minus 6. So it will be minus 2. Then minus 5. 9 minus 9 plus 4. See whether it's picked up. See, 4. The answer will be 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. These are the terms. The first 4 terms. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Shivakumar. Okay. The first things will be like this. Okay. So now shall we go to the fourth one? Fourth one, they say the first term is a. A is equal to what? The a is equal to minus 1. D is equal to half. Clear? Now we have to find out the 4 terms. So what we say, terms will be like this: a plus d, then a plus 2d, then a plus 3d. The AP is like this only. AP formula will be like the AP will be like this only. Clear? What is a is minus 1. This minus 1 plus half. Here a is minus 1 plus, okay, plus 2 into d. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So then a plus a is minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So this will be minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is minus half. Minus half. The minus 1, this one, 2 will get cancelled. It will be minus 1 plus 1. That will be 0. Then minus 1 into 3 by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That is minus 2 plus 3 by 2. That will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. The answer will be minus 1, minus half, then 0, then 1 by 2. This is the 4 terms. Yeah. So okay, now I'll go to the next problem. See, next problem. See, here the sum is A they have given, the A they have given us minus 1.25. B they have given us minus 0.25. Clear? Minus. See, what is the first term? First term is A is equal to minus 1.25. First term. Second term will be A plus D. A is what? Minus 1.25 plus D is plus of minus 0.25. So it will be minus 1.25 minus 0.25. That is minus minus will can add, you will get minus 1.50. This is second thing. This is first one. This first one. Rahul Raj, answer. Okay. Answer has not come, Rahul Raj. Does not come. That's why I was worried, but now I'm happy. Answers have not come. Typed it and sent it, but it has not come. Thank you, Rahul Raj. So A plus D. Then next one, third will be A plus 2D. A is what? Minus 1.25. Minus 1.25 plus, it will be 2D in plus 2 into, it will be minus 0.25. That will be equivalent to minus 1.25 to the minus 0.50. It will be minus 1.75. See, this is the third. The fourth one will be A plus 3D. That is A is minus 1.25. Clear? Minus 1.25 plus of 3D. 3 into minus 0.25. That will be equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.75. That is equal to minus 2. That's all. See, minus 2. So it will be, I'll put it down there. I'll write there. So I'll put it here. What is this? A is equal to this will be like this, minus 1.25, then minus 1.50 minus 1.75 minus 1.75, then minus 2. See, or in other terms, why I am giving you A plus D, A plus 3D? Straight away, what you can do is, with the first term, you can add this D. With the second term, you can add the D. You will get the third term. Likewise, also, you can easily solve it. Just I want to know that. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shivakumar. Thank you. Today, shall we stop with this? Tomorrow, we'll continue. Tomorrow, we'll continue the same things. Tomorrow, we'll finish this exercise very easily. Then, we'll go to the nth term of an AP. Okay? Tomorrow we'll go to the nth term of an AP, and we have to finish the balance problems. Clear? Rahul Raj, clear? Thank you. Rahul Raj, okay. Shivakumar, Babu, Snegit, Sai, Snegit and Sai. Everybody is clear? Okay. Shall we close it today? Shall we close it today? Babu, Shivakumar, Rahul Raj. Okay, thank you, Rahul Raj, thank you. Sai, thank you very much. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you, Babu. Rahul Raj, thank you. Snegit, thank you. Shivakumar, thank you. Babu, you want to know my name? Franklin. 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 Shivakumar, thank you. Okay, no problem, no problem. I am Franklin, Franklin. Franklin. My name is Franklin. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Chokma. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Snake. Thank you, Raul. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Okay, bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay? We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye. So my name you not know, it's my Franklin. Franklin. Babu, my name is Franklin. Franklin. Over the bar blues.